Okay, GLAers, this is the start of term 3. We've just ended day 2, and it's your quick term update. So we had the grade 12s running around the corridors today as they attended school. At the same time, the grade 8s to 11s, you've adopted Google Classroom as your platform for education in this term. Congratulations with it, and thank you. I do want to give a couple of quick important information bits to parents and learners. If you are struggling for some reason, either socially, emotionally, or with data constraints, you are welcome to send an email to academics@gla-jbay.org to request that your child come to school in person. We're able to accommodate quite a few learners in that case. They will have access to the school network, to Google Classroom, and they'll be able to work here at school and attend classes. That's if you really have concerns for your child academically. We want to give that opportunity to learners to fully partake education if you're not able to do that online. The second thing that's important to parents specifically is that you will be invited as guardians to your children's classes. So the next day or two, you'll get an email, and on that email, please accept the invitation as guardian, and you will be subscribed to each one of their classes, and you can either receive a daily or weekly report on your child's progress and the status of their task. So please do subscribe to that. We also looked at our year plan, and we're going to do the things of general knowledge quizzes, the photo days, assemblies, as much as we possibly can do in real time and with your child. We will going to be creative and try and get that done. So very shortly also we will share a bit more information on those events that we're able to host in creative ways. So please look out for that communication. So the first event is an assembly this Friday at 12 o'clock on our YouTube live channel. And so you will get that information also, but it's basically our YouTube channel /live, and you'll be able to join us for assembly on this Friday at 12 o'clock. So please look out for that. That said, that's a couple of important matters that I wanted to share with you. Please keep watching us on social media for any updates, and please contact the school if you do have any questions or uncertainties. We're here to help you and serve you and to make sure you have the best possible learning experience, even with the restrictions that's been placed on us. Thank you for watching. All the best and enjoy term 3. You can absolutely nail it. Thank you for watching. Cheers.